Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with the today's video. So this video is for class 8th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is understanding quadrilaterals. So in exercise 3.1 we have already discussed up to question number 6. So now we will discuss question number 7. In this, two diagrams are given and two questions are given. Here this kind of diagram is there. So this is 30 degree, and here the square this is like that, so that will be 90 degree. We have to find x, y, z. X, y, z are the exterior angles of this triangle, and here the quadrilateral is given. In this quadrilateral, three angles are given: 60 degree, 80 degree, 120 degree, and x, y, z and w are here the exterior angles of the quadrilateral. So first of all we have to find this interior angle. This, what will be the angle? So let it be A. So A, 90 degree and 30 degree are the interior angles of a triangle, and we know the angle sum property of triangle. So from the angle sum property, 90 degree plus 30 degree plus A should be equals to 180 degree. So why it is so? Angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. We are supposed to supply the reason why we are writing this. So 90 plus 30, that is 120 degree, plus A is equals to 180 degree. A will be 180 degree minus 120 degree, that is 60 degree. So the value of A will be 60 degree. Now Z plus 30 is equals to 180. Why? Linear pair angles. Linear pair angle. LPA means linear pair angles. So from here we can find Z is equals to 180 degree minus 30 degree. It implies Z is equals to 150 degree. Similarly we can find out X. So X plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. Why? What is the reason? Linear pair angle. So from here X is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree. It implies X is equals to 90 degree. So afterwards we are supposed to find out Y as well. So for Y what we have to do? Y plus 60 degree is equals to 180 degree. Why? Because these are the linear pair angles. So Y is equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree. So Y will be equals to 120 degrees. Now we got the values of X, Y and Z. So X plus Y plus Z will be, so here we can write X plus Y plus Z will be, X is 90 degree plus Y is 120 degree plus Z is 150 degree. So 90 plus 120, that will be 210. 210 plus 150, that will be 360 degree. So the sum is 360 degree. So from here we come to know that the sum of the exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degree. Now we are supposed to proceed the sum of the exterior angles of a quadrilateral. So from here, first of all we have to find the interior angle of that quadrilateral, that suppose that will is A. So we can write A plus 80 degree plus 60 degree plus 120 degree is equals to 360 degree. Why? Because that is the angle sum property of quadrilateral. This is the angle sum property of quadrilateral, and that is the sum of the angles, the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So from here we can write A plus 120 plus 80, 200, 200 plus 60, 260 equals to 360. From here we calculated A is equals to 360 minus 260, that is A is equals to 100 degrees. So now A is the 100 degree. So again we have to find, this is the separate question. Now we can find the value of x, y, z. So x plus 120 degree is equals to 180 degree. Why? One time we are supposed to write the reason, linear pair angles. So from here we got x is equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree. It implies x is equals to 60 degree. Now we have to find y. So y plus 80 degree is equals to 180 degree. Why? For the simple reason, the previous one. So from here y is equals to 180 degree minus 80 degree. So y is equals to 100 degree. At the same time, now we have to find the value of z. So z plus 60 degree is equals to 180 degree. From here z is equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree, that is 120 degree. We will write the value of z is equals to 120 degree. Now w plus 100 degree is equals to 180 degree, because both are the linear pair angles. So from here we can write w is equals to 180 minus 100 degree. It implies w is equals to 80 degree. So now the main thing, we have to find x plus y plus z plus w. So x plus y plus z plus w will be equals to x, the value of x is 60 degree, the value of y is 100 degree, the value of z is 120 degree plus 80 degree. So 120 plus 80, 200, 200 plus 100, 300, 300 plus 60, that is 360. So in both the cases we got the sum of the exterior angles is 360 degree, means sum of the exterior angle is irrespective of the number of sides of a polygon, whether it is having the 3 sides or it is having the 4 sides or 5, 6, 9, 10. How many sides are there in the polygon, the sum of the exterior angles will be constant, that is 360. The sum of the interior angles is different, we know, because the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 and the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 and the sum of the angles of a pentagon is 540 and that of the hexagon 720. That is different, that depends on the number of sides, but the sum of the exterior angles of any kind of polygon will be 360, and that we are supposed to use in the upcoming questions. So I hope that you have understood, and now you will try these questions. Again you will repeat the questions. At the same time, what the information we got here, the sum of the exterior angles of any kind of polygon irrespective of the number of sides will be 360. You are supposed to use in the upcoming questions, so you should try those questions. If you face any kind of problem, then you are supposed to inform us we will try to rectify that. Otherwise, in the next video we will discuss those questions as well. And after completing the questions, you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.